Today we are going to discuss complex inbound process. So how to execute the complex inbound process? So these are the few steps which I mentioned here. Create new material document with the T code. Create a new material document. T code is MM01. So after creating that material, we need to extend. The T code is slash SCWM slash mat1. So extend to the AFS also. For that the T code is MMSC. Next step is go to cross process setting. Set up the external process step in process oriented storage control. Next is define process type. Define process type determination indicator. And the next step is define the strategies. This is the step in good receipts strategies. Storage types are sequence. Define storage types are sequence for the put away. Assign the storage types to the storage types or sequence. Define the put away control indicator. Specify storage types or sequence for the put away. The next step is goods receipts process deconsolidation. Define attributes for the deconsolidation. Assign bin to our work center. This is the transaction, and this is the next is testing. So create a purchase order with the transaction T code ME21N against the PO. Create an inbound delivery. The transaction is VL31N. Here you can see, yeah, we are going to pack the HU. Process the inbound delivery. The T code is /n /SCWM /PRDI. Now I will create a warehouse task and confirm. So these are the steps which I mentioned how to process, and this is a screenshot which I have taken while executing this complex inbound process. See, define the external steps. I will just increase the screen size. Yes, now it will be clear. See, define the process oriented storage control in cross process setting. Define the external steps. See, we need to define the external steps, like I have defined the fourth step: unloading, deconsolidation, VAS, and put away. We need to create bin also for deconsolidation, both for deconsolidation and the VAS. Next step is process oriented storage control. Yes, we need to assign the external steps to the process warehouse process type. This is the destination bin and destination section. Next step is define storage process. Yes, you need to define the storage process. I declare this one. Define your storage process. Yes, assign your external process steps. Yes, we need to assign the steps which we want to execute. Now go to the warehouse process type. So for a complex we are using 1011. Yes, standard one. You can copy and you can use your 4-character key. Assign your source type and source bin in the put away and control for the put away here. And here in setting storage process, we need to assign our storage process which we define. See, I have assigned here. Yes, here define control indicator for your storage process. Yes, we need to define the process type control indicator. We need to assign the control indicator to document type and our warehouse process type. Yes, we need to assign this in the product. What we define the PTDI as well as define work center. Yes, we need to define the work center. This document will be useful for you guys. Just go through once. Each and every step has been mentioned here. Now go to easy access. Define master data attributes. So we need to assign for deconsolidation and the VAS setting for the storage type and various process type. Yes, this setting should be mentioned. Set up in the for deconsolidation. Yes, HU requirement. This setting should be for VAS. This HU requirement should be there. Storage type role is E. For deconsolidation, yes, for deconsolidation also E for work center. The role is E for work center. G at work center. Three zero four zero warehouse process type. Three zero six zero warehouse process type. So this is the setting. So I hope this document will be useful for you. Just go through it.